y'all, it's Angela again here at the chicken coop, and I'm doing several videos today because it's all things that I'm sharing with y'all are just some talking videos, so that's why I still have the exact same clothes on, because I'm videoing multiple videos today. So this video is really cool. I was really excited about this. I had a friend that gave me some furniture, and the furniture had some little drawers in the furniture. So I was really excited about it, and but it was kind of old and dusty and had some stuff in there. So I was kind of going through the drawers and cleaning stuff out, keeping some old stuff that was just cool old stuff, but then getting rid of, you know, some of the stuff that was just dirty and junky and, you know, bobby pins, that kind of stuff. So, but anyways, in the piece of furniture, I found this little sachet thing, and you could tell it was old. See, you could this material is real weathered and tattered and thin, and then it was just tied with this little cotton string, cotton cord. But I could tell something was inside there, and I kept feeling like, what is that? So I could hear it. I could tell something was in there. I was like, what in the world is in there? And I thought it was just something like a little sachet or something, and then probably had like, you know, potpourri or something. That's really what I thought it was just some little sachet or something. So anyways, I took the cord off, and I opened it up, and y'all, this was so exciting to me. Yeah, I know surely other people would be as excited about this with me. I don't know if I can turn it up or I can show it. See all those? Let's pull this side. Uh-oh, I dropped one. See all that? Those are seeds. Seeds, and they're big seeds. Let me show y'all. And I knew immediately when I saw them, I knew they were seeds. See how it's a pretty big seed. And anyways, there was a little slip of paper down in this little sachet, this little material. And with kind of a little scriggly little old lady handwriting. Can y'all see that? I hope y'all can see it. It says Morning Glories. So these are Morning Glory seeds, but you could tell that's a handwriting from you know, like an older person when their hand gets a little shaky. But you could still read it. It was still good handwriting, but you could just tell it's a little shaky handwriting. So this is somebody's grandmother's, great-grandmother's, aunts, grandfathers, who knows? It was some Morning Glories that they saved the seeds from. So I don't know how old these seeds are, haven't a clue. These may be rocks as far as, you know, germination or anything. I have no idea. But what I thought I would do is I'm saving these seeds, and next spring I'm going to try to germinate these seeds, these Morning Glory seeds, and see if we can get some Morning Glories growing from these old seeds, these antique seeds. And to see, you know, they have actually had, you know, found seeds in the pyramids that have actually germinated. So, I mean, things, you never know how this might work. And they've stayed, you know, they're really good and dry, and so I don't know. I have no idea how old these seeds are, but I thought that was so cool. I was so excited. And I even called my friend back. She said, I have no idea who wrote that or whose seeds those might be. She was kind of excited, so I told her, I said, if I can get them to germinate and grow, and I'll give you some Morning Glory plants, and we can plant some Morning Glories. And she was kind of excited about that too. So I just thought that was really cool. As a gardener, as an avid, you know, gardener, I just thought that was the coolest thing. I would hope somebody, if I ever did this and someone in future generations find it, I hope somebody would be as excited as I was about these little seeds. Isn't that cool? All right, so I just wanted to share that with you, that my little secret little find that I found this week. And thanks for watching. If y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please like and subscribe and share it with your friends.